This is the envelope punch board, a great tool to create your own envelopes. Comes with a bone folder, all the instruction here on the board itself. You're gonna add the paper to the punch board, align it according to the instructions, give it a punch, score, rotate it, align the scored line with the nose, give it a punch, score, give it a punch, score, and punch and score. With a reverse punch, you can round your corners if you want to. We're going to go ahead and crease the lines. Add some adhesive. And your envelope is done. Here you can see different sizes of envelopes that you can create.